Good morning, everyone. So, I'm here today walking down here in Central Park. As you can see, look, there's a lot of trees. You see that one? Wala pa silang dahon. But you can see, meron na siyang mga bud. So, malapit na siyang mag-bloom for spring. And I'm here with that. My niece. And then I just keep walking. Going to the other side because Central Park is quite big. Cut the trees. It's beautiful. I'm coming back here when it's already is it called spring, when cherry blossom is coming out. Very nice actually. They're a beautiful place. Look at the sky, look at those trees. Beautiful, right? Very beautiful. Yung sa Bisaya pa, nindot. Guwapa. Sa Tagalog, maganda na lugar. Pag sa Spanish naman, bello is maganda in Spanish. So I'm learning Spanish, so I understand now Spanish. Kaya prayo in Spanish means cold. Yeah, it's cold. Some people is just wearing short, but me, I still meron pa akong mga double. Beautiful place. It's a beautiful place to run, to walk, to be fresh, to be peaceful.